Hi children, welcome to Early Bird Class 7 Science Chapter 4 Heat Part 3 Clinical Thermometer. Children, whenever you are feeling illness or feverish, what you'll do? We'll just check our body temperature. And how will you check your body temperature? With the help of a thermometer, a clinical thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called clinical thermometer, and it's designed to measure the temperature of human body, not other animals. And what is the range of this temperature, which is shown in clinical thermometer? It reads the temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And what is the normal temperature of human body? That is 37 degrees Celsius. And for all other animals, it may vary. So, this clinical thermometer is specially designed to measure human body temperature. We will see the structure or the parts of a clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer consists of long, narrow, uniform glass tube. It has a bulb at one end. This bulb contains mercury. And why this mercury is used in thermometer? Because it's very sensitive to temperature. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. If you slightly turn this clinical thermometer, you can see a small narrow line. The scale we use in this is Celsius scale. It is indicated by degrees Celsius. And there is one more measure to express temperature, that is Fahrenheit. Usually in digital thermometer, temperature is expressed in Fahrenheit. Here we will see the parts of clinical thermometer. Here you can see a long tube. Inside you can see the line of mercury. You can see the glass tube. And here you can see a small bulged portion. This is called as clink. And what is the purpose of clink? It prevents mercury from falling on its own. So this is a parts of a clinical thermometer. Here you can see so many small lines. How will you measure your temperature with the help of these small lines? I told you it's usually expressed in degrees Celsius. Temperature is usually expressed in degrees Celsius in a clinical thermometer. And how will you measure these small lines? Suppose these bigger marks, this indicate 1 degree Celsius. So here in between, suppose in between there are 5 lines. So one small division can read 1 by 5. 1 degree Celsius divided by 5 divisions. So we'll get 0.2 degrees Celsius. So each small line is 0.2 degrees Celsius. And what are the precautions to be observed while using a clinical thermometer? First one, the thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. And before measuring your temperature, ensure that the mercury level below 35 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, your reading will be incorrect. Next step, read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Because the mercury level is very narrow and it won't be that much visible. So you should keep the level of mercury along the line of sight. Handle the thermometer with care. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. Don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. If so, your reading again it will change. This is a digital thermometer. Usually your temperature is expressed in Fahrenheit.